Do your kids absolutely love robots? I'm David Jack, and if they love robots like I know they do, then they'll love my super fun, super high-tech assembly BOT, the secret world of robots. Science, technology, engineering, the arts, mathematics, all of these subjects are so important to your kids.
Each of these subjects is so huge that some people study one of them their entire life. So I thought I would take all these subjects, scrunch them up in a ball, scrunch them up in a ball, and see how they all relate to the world of robots. Are you ready?
The real world is what it's all about, and BOT gives students an inside look at jobs that are perfect for robots. In BOT, the secret world of robots, they'll meet Cosmo, my wacky virtual reality friend.
Hey, you guys.
We're doing a show.
What's going on?
We're trying to do a show.
Why didn't anyone tell me there was a show going on?
Because Cosmo, I didn't think you would be interested in a show about robots. So let me just talk to the kids.
Are you kidding, Dave?
No, not kidding.
Interested?
Not kidding.
I am a robot.
No, you're not a robot.
Yes, I am David Jack.
Take it easy.
I am a robot.
A little too much coffee this morning. All right, look.
BOT is chock full of audience participation, humor, and delivers curriculum-based information to students in a fun and interesting way.
3 push-ups. Count it out. Hold it. And 1, 2, 3. Good job. Stand up.
The future is today with BOT, the secret world of robots.